If you've just assembled your Blackstone grill, there's a few things that you may want to do before you turn it on. And even if you have turned on your Blackstone grill already, you might learn a thing or two from this quick 5 tips. Safety first. This thing gets extremely hot. First tip you need to know about this grill is that when you first turn this grill on to warm it up, don't turn the burners on high. Turn it all the way to the lowest setting, then turn each burner on, and then as it warms up, you can slowly start to turn the temperature up, because this will warp like this, and I've seen them pop. So this thing will pop and the food will fly everywhere, hot oil will fly all over you. As you're sitting here doing this with your tools and being just like your favorite hibachi grill chef, you will sling hot oil all over. So second thing is, make sure that you're wearing clothes, because you will burn yourself from hot oil. It will splash and those type of things. Better yet, you should maybe wear an apron, and that will help. Do not use the side tables here, because this burner, this gets extremely hot right here, and the first time you pick something up that you set here, you'll burn your hand. You'll throw your spatula or your pan or whatever it is. So just take it from me, don't put anything on these. Know that before you turn your grill on. Don't make the same mistake that I made and grab your hot spatula or your pan of meat or whatever it might be, okay? Season the top before you use it. Blackstone makes some seasoning oil. You can look it up on the internet, and I'll put a link down below to the things that you can use to season this top. Do not use your grill without seasoning it first. So maybe even the day that you're going to use it, spend an hour before doing the process of heating it up, cooling it down, heating it up, cooling it down with the oil until you season this properly. If you fail to do this, the next time you come out to grill, your surface is going to be rusted. After you're done cooking on the grill, clean it. Don't ever even miss one time to clean this grill. It only takes a minute or two at the most, and you can use these that they've got from that you can get at your local store where you bought your grill, but you can use these pads. I actually just use the same pad over and over and over. Just take your grill and go back and forth, back and forth. Get all the food that's stuck on the grill, get it off, okay? And you can spread out the oil that's on there to help keep it seasoned and stop it from rusting. Once again, if you don't do this after you cook, the next time you come out, we'll have rusted in the spot where that food is. So if you do it right from the start, then you won't have the problem with these things getting rusty. There is a way to save a lot of money on these grills, because a couple of the large department store chains, I won't mention which one, they leave these assembled grills out on their patio area. And if you live in an area where it rains, these things will get completely rusted sitting out there because the grills have not been seasoned yet. So you can actually sand down that surface rust and then re-season the grill and have a brand new looking grill for half the price. We certainly like our Blackstone Griddle. We've gotten a couple, 2-3 years use out of it now, and we use it just about every week. So until next time, thank you for watching.